In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join channel membership on YouTube. Channel memberships are a great way to support your favorite creators and unlock extra perks like badges, custom emojis, and members-only content. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips so you know exactly what you're signing up for. First, open YouTube on your device. You can do this in a browser on your computer or through the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for your membership, because the perks will be tied to that account. Next, head to the channel you want to support. You can search for the channel name using the search bar at the top. Then click on the channel from the search results. This will take you to their main channel page, where you'll see their banner, profile picture, and navigation tabs like Home, Videos, and Community. On this channel page, look for a button that says Join. It's usually located near the Subscribe button, just under the channel's name and profile picture. If you don't see a Join button, there are a few possible reasons. The creator might not have channel memberships enabled, it may not be available in your country, or you may be using a device or platform that doesn't support memberships. If that happens, try switching to a desktop browser or updating your YouTube app. When you click the Join button, a pop-up window will appear showing you the available membership levels. Each level will list a monthly price and the perks included, such as loyalty badges, emojis, or access to exclusive posts and live streams. Take a moment to read through these details so you can pick the level that makes the most sense for you and your budget. Once you've chosen a level, click the button to continue. You'll now see a payment screen. Here, select your payment method and review the total monthly cost. Remember, channel memberships are recurring, so you'll be charged each billing cycle until you cancel. When you're ready, confirm the purchase. After your payment goes through, you'll be a channel member. You should immediately see your new badge next to your name when you comment on that channel, and you'll gain access to any members-only perks the creator offers. That's all you need to do to join a channel membership on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and enjoy supporting your favorite creators.